That's because he's drinking a Fanta. That's
yes.
why. That's exactly why.
Did you say Fanta?
Fanta.
I should probably go. It's Fanta.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah,
sure.
I'm just gonna go.
I know there's always gonna be plenty more to come. Yeah. Oh no, baby, I don't think they're ready for it. Up high in the clouds where they're looking for us. Can't lie, baby, I feel I'm on top of the world, baby.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're here for part 2 with Ron from Unorthodox Garage. As you saw in the other video that I posted, we cut out his quarter panels because he was rubbing real bad, and it was freezing cold. Our schedules were conflicting, so we ran out of time to actually completely finish. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna leave the car outside. 1, for better light. 2, it's beautiful outside, considering we've had about 15-degree weather in New Jersey the past week, and it's now almost 60 degrees today. What we're gonna do is, where we cut the piece of quarter out, we're gonna just spray it, spray inside where the 2 pieces of quarter panel are with spray foam insulation, and then we're gonna hit it with some clear Flex Seal. All we're really trying to do is prevent the massive amount of salt that they put down on the roads from getting in the crack and corroding everything, rusting everything out. Then he's just gonna have way more problems, than anybody really ever wants to deal with. So yeah, we'll seal them up, and then that'll be that. Decided to eat outside since it's so nice out. So we're using the SI as a lunch table today. Everybody say hi to Ron, by the way.
Hello. You know what? The Fanta. I like that better. The Fanta.
The Fanta? That's because he's drinking a Fanta. That's
yes.
why. That's exactly why.
Did you say Fanta?
Fanta.
I should probably go. It's Fanta.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah,
sure.
I'm just gonna go.
Do you want
now.
a Fanta? It's only Fanta when you sing the song, okay? You guys want to say hi to my dogs? So this one's a rescue stray from Puerto Rico. She's a rescue stray from South Carolina. Her and all her brothers and sisters were dumped in a swamp. And then she's an adopted rescue also. I don't know where my mom got her from. But yeah, that's my dogs. That's Rosie. This is Rico. And that's Callie.
I was adopted too.
And Ron was adopted too, apparently.
Yes. Just so I know.
Ron was kneeling down to make sure that he was in the frame of his shot. I said, yeah, you're right in the middle. He goes, all right, good. So then he gets up and complains that his knees were cracking. He got up literally just to hit the record button when my hand is right here, and I could have simply hit it. You could record your video now, Ron.
Okay. At the store, like I said earlier, I picked up some Flex Seal, and I picked up some foam stuff. It says gaps and cracks, which I've got plenty of with the Honda now, since the quarter panels those panels are kind of split open. So we got to get up in there. It's covered with salt because the roads are so salty. You got to get in there and clean out all the salt with some brake cleaner, which we do have. And then I'm going to spray this in there. And then on top of it, we're going to try this Flex Seal. I got clear. That way we don't have to worry about a crap ton of overspray like last time with all the black. So if it's clear, oh well, it'll be all right. So I'm going to go ahead and tear it down and start on that.
Everything I write is rightfully mine. I talk my shit, but insightful at times. Most of the time I be boasting, but nah, that's cause everyone who hated now's toasting to my accomplishments. I know the roots, I pay no mind to it. Now I can't trust no one, that's what I'm convinced. If they fake, keep them out, that's what mama says. Now I'd be lying if I said I don't like the cash. How else am I supposed to get her everything she has ever dreamed of? I'ma get whatever she asks, and that's real. Honestly, that's my #1 task. I always told her I wasn't taking the college route, and she was scared, never knowing what I would do. For her son to make it with rap was out of view, cause as a kid I was never the type to follow through. But now, this is what I do. Soon she'll be seeing the world from a bird's eye view. I know a dream is to help make mine come true. That's why I do this for mine. I love you. She gon' laugh at that. I know it for a fact she gon' laugh at that. Now being bad at rap, see I'm bad at that. Man, I can't help putting out classic tracks. People in my life wishing that they saw me more, but I'm working in my lane, I've been grinding more. Focused on myself, no time for whores. Already dealt with one, so I'm fine, I'm sure. For that line, they gon' say I'm wildin'.
And it's gonna expand and fill it up more, so.
Yeah. I'm excited about that.
Ron likes expanding and filling things up.
AK, not a god, but he almighty. Strong in the head, really working all body. Rapping every single day, pulling all-nighters. That's why every track is lit like they all lighters. Light 'em up, light 'em up, light 'em up, though. I don't really give a f if I'm cutthroat, doing what I need.
That was so
If you are wondering why we're laughing so hard, Ron just asked me for some napkins. I leaned in my car to grab them, and I just grabbed my hand and went like this to hand them to him. Definitely didn't realize how close he was standing, and came about this close to giving him a nice hard nut shot.
Stuff is a little messy.
Well, when you blast it everywhere.
That's what she said.
Well, guys, you can see where we filled the gap with the foam insulation. We're gonna let that dry for a few. Then we're gonna spray some clear Flex Seal on it just to give it a little bit of an extra covering and, you know, protection. And then we'll put the flare back on and we'll be done. So what he's doing now is he's taping it up, and then we're gonna spray it with the Flex Seal, seal everything up good, and it, you know, should be good to go. Also, guys, one more thing. If you ever decide to try the spray foam insulation method as like a temporary fix kind of thing, and you get the spray foam all over your tire from it dripping out, if you use brake clean and a wire brush, it takes it right off.
Besides your eyes, you need to go to the hospital.
Yeah, so, you know, eye protection. As far as the car goes, it's all back together. Ron can, you know, drive it home, no worries. Everything's all sealed up, so he doesn't have to worry about water or anything puddling inside the two pieces of his quarter panel. Yeah, so other than that, that'll be it for this video. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, hit the notification bell, you know, so you get the notifications every time I post up a new video. And until then, stay safe, drive smart, and keep motoring.
I know there's always gonna be plenty more to come, yeah.